Hello all, dear GoFounders. It's a sunny and cold morning here in northern Italy, snow outside, it's winter in the end. Was thinking about all of these hard times around the world. COVID-19 is only one more issue to deal with. And when people don't have either money to eat or pay bills or for health expenses, life does really get hard. But then, something good appeared in my mind. How we'll benefit all of those needy people with Onpassive in our hands. We'll have a very strong instrument to work with and to get rid of all our financial issues and help others in doing that too. And when people get rid of financial problems, well, they can think about primary needs in a healthy way, and then they become more open to each other. Often happens that too much poverty leads to criminality, in order to be able to survive. Can we see the bigger picture? Solving people's basic needs can lead them to find their good humanity again, and this is a loop, playing again and again. Feel excited thinking about this, are you?